once and then solve. So that we have completed. And yesterday we have completed last type, that is traveling salesman problem. Is it right? So every part we have completed nearly. Every part we have completed. Then today's task is the last type of problem, that is traveling salesman problem. So this type of problems are a little bit difficult, not difficult I say, different types are there. So whatever your allocation is there at last. So yesterday we gone through that. Suppose for first third number is allocated, for second two number is allocated, for third fourth number is allocated. So whatever maybe the allocations may come, but here in this traveling salesman problem, we have to maintain certain link for we can say linking of allocation is required. Okay, so that we are going to study today. What is that linking is there? Okay, so in traveling salesman problem, first we have to consider that. First, we have to consider that one salesman is traveling to number of cities. Okay, so if this whatever this information is there, that is I kept open here. Okay, so whatever that particular salesman is there, that particular salesman should visit to number of cities. Okay, so there are number of cities and a salesman must visit. A distance or time between every pair of cities is given, that is known to us. Then that salesman starts from his home city and if salesman is from suppose salesman is from Pandharpur. So we are taking the example Pandharpur, Mohol, Solapur, Barshi. Okay, these four cities were required to visit. Then suppose the salesman starts traveling from Pandharpur. If from Pandharpur he goes to the Barshi, then Barshi he goes to the Mohol, and from Mohol he goes to the Solapur, and then Solapur he came back to the Pandharpur. It should not be like that. That salesman should go to the Pandharpur to Barshi and again he come back to the Pandharpur. That means the salesman journey, if it is started from Pandharpur, he should cover all the cities. What the remaining three cities are there. So Pandharpur is called as home city. Pandharpur is called as home city, and he should start his journey from home city and he should come back to home city. And there is one more condition is that to each city he should visit only once. To each city he should visit only once. Means he should travel from Pandharpur to Barshi, then Barshi to Solapur, or Barshi to Mohol. Solapur to Barshi he should not go again. So from Solapur he should Pandharpur to Barshi, Barshi to Mohol, again Mohol to Barshi he visit one time. That is the important thing. And then in that case we have to find out shortest traveling time or shortest traveling cost. So there are 2 points, either cost or time. Okay, just a minute. Then the distance between city is given to us. So can you tell me what is the distance between Pandharpur to Pandharpur? Hello?
0.
Anybody? 0. So home city, that means from that city to that city distance is 0. So whatever diagonal values are there, these are 0. Okay. Then this problem may be called as symmetrical problem. Okay. And if one or more pair of cities, the distance varies with direction, the problem is called unsymmetrical. So that part we will go later, what is the symmetrical and what is unsymmetrical. Okay. So here I will not go in detail what is that things are there. So why such type of problem is used? For which areas these problems are used? These problems are used for postal deliveries. So what is speed post we are doing, speed post we are sending, online shopping we are doing. So whatever that traveling is there, that is like that only by using this type of way. Sometimes if we send certain things to Solapur person, if we post, if we send it, it is not directly reaching to the Solapur. Sometimes it goes to the Pune and then it come back to the Solapur. Is it right? If certain things, if you purchase online and if you track that particular thing online, then you will find that it is dispatched from Mumbai. It goes to the Aurangabad. It come back to the Latur. Again from Latur to Solapur and Solapur to Pandharpur. So sometimes we thinking why Pune it is dispatched from Mumbai. It is not reaching to the going to the Pune and Pune to direct Pandharpur. So it should not be like that. Okay. So whatever the postal delivery route is there, it is little bit different, and that is defined by such assignment problem. Then some inspection areas are there. Okay, so inspection purpose, whenever that certain things are there, that committees are coming, certain things are there, and you want to go for inspection of different locations, they are using such type of route. Then school bus route. Okay, generally while deciding the school bus route, this particular way is used because school bus is traveling on a specific route at once only, at morning and evening. So what route he is following, on that route he is coming back. Okay, so that is the one of the important part. Then television relays, what are the signals we are getting, signal towers are there, they may be also on this particular way, assembly lines, etc. Okay, so this is the way or this is the things in the traveling salesman problem we have to consider. Okay, so mathematical problem, mathematical expression is there, so we will not go deep to this. So directly we will go to so this is the table. Okay, so that table we will not detail. We will directly go to the problem. Okay, so it is the first simple problem is there. I hope everybody has visualizing this particular problem. That is the 4 cities are there. Okay, so salesman want to visit cities 1, 2, 3, and 4. He does not want to visit any city twice before completing the tour of all cities and wish to return his home city. The starting home city, that is starting point. Cost of going one city to another in the rupees is given in table. Find the least cost route. Okay, so this is the table is in front of us, and we have to find least cost route for salesman. So here whatever the column and row numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are same, and you can find diagonal values are zeros. Okay, why diagonal values are zeros? From city 1 to city 1, what is the traveling cost? So whatever the column side is there, you can say from city. That means from that city we have to travel to which city, that is indicated in columns. Okay. So whatever 1, 2, 3, 4 written in column, it is from city, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is written in row, that is the destination city. Okay. Then first city to second city. From first city to second city, 30 rupees is required. Then from first city to third city, 80 rupees is required. From first city to fourth city, 50 rupees is required. Similarly, from second city to first city, 40 rupees is required. That means if you consider this, from first to second, 30 is required, but from second to first, 40 is required. Again, from first to second, second to second, 0 rupees. Similarly, third to third, 0, and fourth to fourth, 0. So what are these diagonal elements are there? These are zeros, and we are required to take that particular consideration, that diagonal value should be zeros in this problem. Then how this particular problem is solved? Okay, then as per our assignment problems, assignment has been made to the smallest number. Assignment has been made to the smallest number, that is we are finding the zeros in that row, and where 0 is there, we can assign there. That means if you look at to this particular table, in this table, everywhere 0 is present, in each row 0 is present. Then if you go for column operation or row operation, at this condition, you will get the same table. Is that right? So 0 is present in each row and 0 is presented in each column. So other values will not be get changed. That will be remain same. And at initial only your allocation may be like this: 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, and 4 to 4. What it indicate? That means salesman visit to one city and he will end the tour. He will go to the second city and he will. So that is not the case. Okay, so that is not the case. That's why where that zeros are written in diagonal condition, there we have to put infinity value. Here we have to put infinity value, and that allocation should not be there. That means from city 3 to city 3, that allocation will not be there. Okay, so if you make particular this change into the table, your given problem is changed like this way. So at 0 condition, that means whatever the distance is there, cost is there from city 1 to 1, here I have put infinite. That means that cost is unknown to me. What is the cost required, or that is a bigger cost. So once this is there, then you have to find another smallest number from this table. So after writing here infinity, another number is 30. So that 30 I have to minus from remaining 3 values. For second row, again 30. For third row, 20. And for last row, it is 70. So by writing infinity at diagonal location and row minimization operation, this table I found. Once I got this table, then I have to go for column operation. Then if I go for column operation, for first column there is 0, for second column there is 0, but for third column there is not 0, and for fourth column there are 0. Only third column is get changed here. So this is the column operation. After column operation, I will get this particular table. Once you got this table, then we have to go for our regular way. Whatever that our Hungarian method is there, we are following that. So for first, look at here. From city 1, salesman will travel to city 2. Okay, once this 0 is allocated, other 0 will be get cancelled. Then for city 2, from city 2, he will travel to city 4. So this 0 is allocated. Other zeros in that column and rows are get cancelled. For third city, he will not visit, and for fourth city, he will come back. Okay, that means at one number is there. Then once this allocation is made, here for third city, there is no allocation. So we have to make this particular row 0 is present here in this row, in this column, fourth column, and in that column allocation is made at here. So we have made tick mark and we have drawn lines for other things, that other rows drawings, lines, and for this marker column. Then as usual, find out the minimum number from this. Okay, and minus it from all the values where crossing is there you can add. Here instead of whatever the minimum number is there, here 10 is minimum number, so 20 is become 30, and here infinity is remaining infinity, no problem. After making these particular allocations, if you go, then here allocations are get changed. So first is allocated to second. Then somebody may think that why this second is not allocated to first. Is it that, Nagne?
Okay.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So why here this second is not allocated to this 0, that is first 0? Because if salesman is traveling from city 1, he will go to the city 2. Okay, that is first allocation to 2, that is 1 to 2, and 2 to again 1. So that journey will be closed. Okay, that salesman is starting the traveling from city 1, then he will go to the city 2, and from city 2 again he will come back to 1. So that is not feasible. That is not feasible. That's why we have not allocated here any zeros. Then for remaining third and fourth cities, there will not be any allocations. Okay, so here we have to take care that that fourth city, allocation should be always 1. Fourth city allocation should be always 1, means from 4 to 1. So your cycle may start from 1, 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, or 2 to 4, or 4 to 1, like this. So whatever this cyclic route is there, that should be completed. That's why for second city it is not allocated. Then for third city it is allocated 4, and from 4 it is allocated, it is come back to 1. In that case, he is not visiting to city or visit city 3. Okay, he is not going to city, city 2. Not from this city. Okay, from city 2 to city 3 is not going. So this allocation is not also proper. That's why again we have to find out where no allocation is there. For second row, no allocation is there. So mark where zeros are present in this row, 2 columns. So that 2 columns mark, and in this 2 columns where allocation is there, say third row and fourth row, you have to mark. Then unmarked row and marked columns. So again your lines will be like this. So you will get these particular numbers. From this you have to find out minimum number, and you have to minus it. Where plus sign is there, you have to add it. Okay, then you will get this particular solution, okay, or this particular table. Then in this, instead of giving 2 number allocation from city 1, I have given third number allocation to city 1. Why? From city 1 he will travel to city 2, and From city 2, again he will come back to city 1. So that cyclic route will be completed here only. Okay, that's why I have cancelled this 0 and I have go further from city 1 to city 3, then city 3 to city 4, city 4 to city 2, and city 2 to city 1. All of you understood how the uh, person will travel here? Hello, please reply somebody. This is little bit tedious problem. I can understand it. So if it is there, please what are the questions are there? Please ask. Hello, please reply. I am knowing that you are not understood this particular part, how that allocations are made. Okay, so whatever the allocation is made, it is made by the cyclic route only. How the cyclic route is decided? How the cyclic route is decided? Once he start the traveling from city 1, he will go to the city 3 first. Okay, then from city 3, he will go to the city 4. From 4, he will come back to city 2. And from city 2, he will come back to city 1. So this is where the cyclic route is represented. So if possible, just 1 minute, I will with pencil I will show you where it is. So I have made red circle to this. 1 minute. Hello, 1 minute. If it is not opening. Okay. So here I have made some. Here I have made one circle. So if you found this circle, here it is written in the circle. Whatever the route is followed. Okay, whatever the route is there, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 2, and 2 to 1. So according to that, our assignment should be there. That means individual assignment is not considered here. Whatever yesterday we have gone through, manager 1 was allocated this room, manager 2 is allocated this room, or machine M1 machine is allocated at space A, machine 2 is allocated at space B. So there in that particular problem, there is no connection between any two allocations. But in traveling salesman problem, we have to keep the connection between all the allocations. Okay, how that connection has been made in all allocations? We'll take this problem once more. I will explain how this problem is there. Okay, so this is the given problem to us, that salesman want to visit 4 cities, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and from city to city, these are the same. And condition is that he should not visit any city two times. He should visit any city for only once. And after visiting all city, he should come back to his home city. Okay, so as allocation is started from number 1, so let we consider that number 1 city is the home city. Okay, number 1 city is the home city, or that is the starting city. Then cost of traveling from one city to another city is shown in the table. Okay, so from first city to first city, traveling cost is 0. From second city to second city, traveling cost is 0. From third city to third city, traveling cost is 0. from fourth city to fourth city, traveling cost is 0. That's why diagonally zeros are there. And from other cities, that means from city 1 to 2, 30 rupees is required. From 1 to 3, 80 rupees is required. So like this, the costs are there. Okay. Then, as assignment problems, we have solved basis on the lower cost, that zeros. And if we look at this particular problem, at least one zero is presented in all rows and all colors, and that zeros are not useful zeros. Okay, that's why that zeros are converted into infinity. Okay, so infinity is the largest number, and then from remaining numbers we have to find out minimum number. Okay, and then we have to go for column and row operation. So once column and row operation is carried out, after converting diagonal zeros into infinity, we can start the assignment. So this is the first assignment point or first assignment table, where you have allocated first city 1 to city 2. Okay, then so he will reach to city 2. Then again he will start the journey from city 2 and he will go to the city 4. As for second row, you have allocated 4 number city. So from first city, he will go to city 2. Then from second city, he will go to the city 4. And from fourth city, he will come back to city 1. So in this case, third city is missing. So this allocation is not proper. As allocation is not proper, we have to use our rule that finding where allocation is not there, mark that row. In that row where 0 is present, mark that column, and where allocation is made in that column, mark that row, and then draw the lines. Okay, after drawing the lines, whatever the remaining numbers are there, find out the minimum from that, minus it from remaining numbers, where line crossing, add there, and where line passing, no change. After that, you are going to second solution. In the second solution, what is there? In second solution, what is there? The traveling salesman problem will start his journey from city 1, he will go to the city 2. Okay, again from city 2, he will go nowhere, because 2 to 3, this allocation is not there. Okay, or if you give here 4 number city, so that he will go to the city 4, then third city he will not visit, and again from 4 he will come back to city 1. Is it right? So here also our allocation is not made properly, so we can go for the again allocations. So whatever the non-allocated rows is there, where zeros are present and where that allocated zeros are there, so you can do that part and find out the minimum number. You have to minus it from the remaining numbers, and you can add where crossing is there. After this, if you go for third allocation, here it is found that again from city 1, if he goes to city 2, then from city 2 he will go to the city 4, and from 4 he will go to the 3, and again from 3 he will go to the 4. So such allocation is not possible here also. Okay, that's why I have changed, or here allocation little bit changed. If we go by yesterday's rule, that first from first server, if I allocate city 1 to this second 0, what will happen? This 0 is get cancelled. and this 0 is get cancelled. Okay, then from city 2 to city 1, this 0 is not possible, so it will get automatically cancelled. I have to allocate here. And from city 1, so city 3, if I allocate this 0 or this 0, he will not come back to the original city. लक्षात येते का मी काय म्हणतो ती? जर येत नसेल तर विचारा. हॅलो हॅलो, रोहित, नागणे, मागी, एनीवन?
लास्ट ऑप्टिमल सोल्युशन मधले पहिलं का घेत नाही त्याबद्दल?
लास्ट ऑप्टिमल सोल्युशन मधलं
पहिले 2 नंबर सिटी का घेतली नाही?
हा, 2 नंबर सिटी का घेतली? एक मिनिट,
फर्स्ट सर्व
1 मिनिट.